It's West Virginia. It's a girls trip. It's super cute fun. First, let's get into it.
Hi.
So, of course, you know we got to get there. So we drove a couple hours to my house out in West Virginia. It was so beautiful when we got there. First night was just chill, cozy vibes.
Hi.
The next morning we got up, went to the store, got all the Thanksgiving things. I made a cutesy little drink called wassail. My girl Carly made that mac. Gabby and I worked on this super cute charcuterie. I unfortunately did not record any more Friendsgiving on my camera, but it was bomb. Moving on. We did some cutesy little crafts, pumpkins and rocks, and then we headed out to the New River Gorge Bridge. I love this bridge, y'all, so beautiful. Then we headed to the visitor center.
Bathroom. You got a tinkle.
Quick little potty break. Then you can step outside and see the gorge. Beautiful, magnificent, wonderful.
Look at this amazing view.
Me and my friends are here doing friend stuff and hanging out. There's another little overlook that we walked down to. You have a really good view of the bridge. You can see so far, it's very cool. There's a little ice cream fudge gift shop place around the corner. Every time without fail, when I'm in West Virginia, I end up here. Superman ice cream me, please. After that, we did a scenic drive through the gorge, did a little stop off, skipped some rocks. Then we just went home, chilled, had a fire. It's our last morning in West Virginia. We're about to leave. There's Gabby in the back. It's so pretty outside. It's really just been a beautiful weekend. Very nice weather. Very lucky and blessed. We all went down the slide for the one time just to say goodbye. Y'all see how beautiful it was out there. I was loving it. The slide was so fun. It's so pretty outside, guys. Look at that.
It is. I feel so good right now.
Yes.
We had such a great weekend.
We did. We're so blessed to have a place like this. I'm so glad all my friends could come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later. Bye.